Hi boys and girls, families at home, I'm Mr Maguire and today we are going to be doing a skipping challenge. For this challenge, all you need is a skipping rope, and if you don't have a skipping rope, you can use a bit of old cord or a bit of rope that's lying around and that'll work too. I will show you how to use both today, alright? All we're doing is seeing how long we can skip for, seeing how many we can get to. I'm going to try and go for 30 and let's see if you can beat my score. Alright, let's give it a go. Nearly 35, but I beat what I was aiming for. So let's see if you can beat that score. Now, if you don't have a skipping rope, you can use a bit of cord or a bit of rope. I've got a bit of cord here. So all I'm going to do is coil it up in my hand because it's a little bit too long for me. About chest height, oh, a little bit too long. And I'm going to give that a go. Let's see how many I can get. Oh, that was about 40, I think. So you don't need a skipping rope, you can use whatever you've got lying around. Give it a go, see if you can beat my score, see each week if you can beat your own score, and post your scores below. Thank you.